test of an automated garage door system. There is a rotary encoder on the sprocket for door position and 2 Hall effect sensors for open and closed, with a DHT22 sensor for temperature and humidity. The Garage Arduino module sends sensor data to OpenHab via the I2C master controller. The master control module forwards the sensor data to the MQTT server. OpenHab picks up the sensor data there. Hall effect sensor open, the magnet is further down the chain waiting to be triggered. Hall effect sensor closed, the magnet is in the triggered position. Rotary encoder attached to sprocket. Pro Mini with relay driver to trigger door, and DHT22. Temperature and humidity sensor. TI, P82B715. I2C bus extender module to twisted pair running to basement patch panel. Patch ports wired in series for I2C. Power over Ethernet Arduino Master I2C module, and another I2C bus extender module to twisted pair to patch panel. DIY, it's like hitting yourself with a hammer because it feels so good when you stop.